wood-burning stoves are great for cooking when you're out camping. You don't need to worry about bringing along alcohol or propane fuel for a gas stove. There are many products available to choose wood-burning camp stoves, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best wood-burning camp stoves from reputed brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Uberleben Stoker Flatpack Stove. Uberleben Stoker Flatpack Stove is a must-have when you need a lighter alternative to bulky canister fuels and you can't compromise on traveling light for an outdoor journey. This burner provides you with the best heat for boiling water and cooking your meals while causing the least amount of environmental pollution possible. It is made for backpacking, camping, trekking, and everything in between. This stove only requires a matchstick and free environmentally friendly fuel to start a fire. There are no restrictions on the biomass fuel that can be used with this stove, including pine cones, dried leaves, sticks, and twigs. Number 2. Solo Stove Titan Camping Stove Portable Stove for Backpacking. The Solo Stove Titan has a sleek stainless steel construction. Even while it is 2.5 ounces heavier than the Uberleben Stoker Flatpack at 16.5 ounces, it is still incredibly lightweight and small, making it ideal for backpacking and camping. Different types of fuels can burn entirely while emitting less smoke because to the double wall design, secondary combustion, and clean gasification. You may get a fire that is just big and hot enough for cooking thanks to the openings at the top and bottom that aid in air circulation and permit more oxygen into the fire chamber. The stove gate, which is made of nichrome wire, is substantial enough to contain a good amount of organic fuels like wood, twigs, and leaves while also allowing air to enter to improve combustion. Number 3. BioLite Cam Stove 2 Wood-Burning Electricity Camp Stove. A technical brand with lots of surprises is BioLite. I'd like to think that given their familiarity with cutting-edge technology, adding a charger to the wood-burning Camp Stove 2 was practically child's play. The BioLite Camp Stove 2 has a unique technical design. Typically, it is constructed from a mix of 3 materials: plastic, lightweight aluminum, and stainless steel. This kind of material combination, in my opinion, distinguishes the stove from its rivals. Unfortunately, what you receive is a unit that is a little bit heavier. This stove is most definitely not portable. Additionally, it neither folds nor collapses into a small size. Number 4. EcoZoom Versa Camping Stove. No camping stove better satisfies the criteria for creative design, practical testing, dependability, and energy efficiency than the EcoZoom Versa. In my opinion, EcoZoom made a significant move by combining several materials to create a stove that is this sturdy and steady. The top of this stove is made of cast iron, which is currently the strongest and most lasting material. An insulated design on the sides traps heat while fostering ideal dispersion for optimum cooking. It has 3 adaptable prongs that can support cast iron cooksets, stainless steel pots, and camping equipment with round and flat bottoms. Number 5. Unigear Wood-Burning Camp Stove's Picnic BBQ Cooker. One of the most practical choices you'll ever come across, this stove is made for both campers and hikers. Unigear might not yet be a well-known name in camping supplies. However, in terms of design, they made a good stride forward with this stove. It is built of sturdy, high-quality stainless steel, which is widely lauded for its durability, strength, and resistance to corrosion. For outdoor lovers who want to carry light for all of their hiking and camping adventures, this burner, which is designed to fold like a book, can compress down to 10x 7x 5 inches. Both when it is folded up and when it is ready for use, it weighs 1.5 pounds. It is not as lightweight as the Uberleben and Campmate camping stoves at this weight. However, taking it to a camping location is still simple.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information pf if you want to know product price, do check out description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier. Thank you.